Okay, here we are down at the dam. This is a fairly good sized dam, this one, and it's got a nice covering of water lilies all around the outside edge, and is the home to lots of different species of birds and ducks, water hens. We have a number of lizards that also live down around here, and of course the main things to sustain life are water and food and sunshine. Now, yeah, I'm talking fairly liberally here. So water rates really high on the list of things that are important to us. And as I said before, I just don't understand why we don't do more about securing our own bit of water on our own piece of property, regardless of how small it is, and regardless of how small an amount of water you save. Even 200 litres in a plastic container is something you could use to water your pot plants or a little veggie patch at the back of the house. This piece of water here sustains a lot of life. Inside this dam we have fish, which I put fingerlings in here quite some time ago. We have silver perch and we have yellow belly, which are both edible fish. There are also crayfish that live here, native crayfish. They're quite a large crayfish with a blue shell and beautiful eating. But mind you, every time I find one, it's got a whole lot of little babies underneath, so I tend to put them back. We also have eels in this dam, and I might tell you a little story about eels in a moment. But yeah, look, this water is very, very important to us. Now, what happens here is that we, as you can see, just in front of me here is another pump. The pump that was up at the house was an electric pressure pump. This here is a petrol operated pump, but look, there's all sorts of pumps you can use. This is what's called a high pressure pump, and we pump the water from the dam here all the way up the hill through a 2-inch pipe, poly pipe, right up to and behind and above the house. Now, once we fill the tank up that is above the house, we then turn the pump off, and we then use gravity to feed back down to the house, and we use this dam water to water our gardens, to wash our cars, and anywhere on the farm where we're establishing new gardens, we use this water to get those gardens established, and once the plants are established, well, they're on their own basically. But that's called gravity feeding, and it's a great way to set up a watering system.